Hi there, it's me, Abby, and here's the waistcoat that I made. It fits Madge a bit better than it does me. Looks good, doesn't it? So I'm making another jacket with sleeves this time, just to show you and demonstrate how to put the sleeves in, how to get it all lined up without having to pull it through the shoulders. It gets very complicated. So I've got this lovely tartan. I have put some interfacing on the front piece. So if you watch the video of me cutting the pattern out, so here's the pattern that I've cut out, and I made the embroidery jacket. I have just altered it a little bit, so I've got lower neck, but I've also added, just in case for buttons, I've added a strip of interfacing on the wrong side of both the front pieces. I've then got a gorgeous lining for the inside. I wanted to demonstrate, rather than with plain fabric, I wanted a patterned fabric so that you can see how to line it with the pattern showing on the inside. So shoulders, sleeves, and then sides. Now there's one catch. On the lining on one of the sides, when I join the back to the front, I am going to leave a turning hole. I'm going to do one shoulder and then whiz straight onto the other. There's one. And there's the other. Oops. I want to put the sleeve in. So there's the sleeve shape. When they're both together, grab one of the sleeves. And I've purposely made it symmetrical so there isn't a lower side on the front. Okay, so it sits in like that. So make sure you position it like that to make sure you get the right one. And then let's flip it over. Make sure you match up the points there. Then we're going to go around that one and then around that little edge there. Okay, so I've got the two sleeves done. Right, so what I need to do is come down the sleeve, and then I'm going to leave a turning hole for everything to come through. So if I mark that up with 2 pins, I'm going to put the pins across, so I definitely need to stop. Okay, and then just serge all the way down, so under the arm, slow the stitches down, so get lower stitches there under the seam, and then all the way down, but leaving that section there. Okay, so I've got the turning hole there. It's quite a big one, might not need it that big. My 2 sleeves, and there we go, and my main jacket. Okay, so the way I want it to look is there's the interfacing, so that's got to be the inside as well because it's got the stitching in there, and what we want to see is this section here, don't we? Okay. But you need to put good sides together. So we'll put this lining there, that jacket there, pop the main jacket fabric sleeve into the lining, and then serge around the cuff there, like that. So I've got the lining there, I've got the main jacket there, and there is my hand. And there's the jacket sleeve, just there. So, okay. The cuff is sewn, so I've pulled it back through and I've matched the shoulder seams here, match the shoulder seam here, and then match the front. Now, I'm going to put this other sleeve into, so the lining sleeve goes into the main jacket sleeve there. Alright, so now that's in there, there's that turning hole, place that like that. Okay, so remember, this is the side that's been done. This side, I've got the 2 raw edges. So those 2 raw edges need to be turned in a certain way so that they are hidden. So the way to do it is I'm going to turn the main fabric round. Let's do it at the stitches. So turn those down so they're inside. Grab the lining and turn those down, the linings, so it's out like that. So as if I've got that fold there. Now, I'm going to now open the jacket up and go between the lining and the jacket, so not inside the full body, but between the lining and the jacket. Push my hand through, there, and I'm going to pinch, so there's my hand, I'm going to pinch that seam where I caught it and pull both fabrics through. Okay, so that will help me identify the side in which I need to do this. So join the seams there. Like that. And like that. And go all the way round. Okay, there we go. Oops, bit of a blunt. So there we go. Okay, so that's all pinned like that. Or if I flip it over that way, it's like that. So I've got my jacket, body and lining matching up. Okay, let's go and serge all round there. So that's that side stitched. And if I put my hand in there and grab the jacket and go all the way through the jacket and bring it through. So I'm grabbing the seam on the inside there and I pull it through. And can you see? So now I've got one side done there. Got the other side done there. So there's the jacket. Now, go and give it a press. Sure, we line everything up now, just to check it's okay. Right, so the next thing we need to do, and this is the magic, where the magic happens, we literally going to pull the lining apart, away from the jacket like that. Match up all the seams like that and pop pins on them all. And then you can again work in small stages between each pin and each seam. There we go. It looks like that, but your sleeve goes all the way round and all the way back. Right, let's go and stitch all that. So now we've stitched all the way round the whole of the jacket. We've got the turning hole here, and we've got to pull everything through. So pull the whole of the jacket through this tiny turning hole. Maybe I should have made it a bit bigger. And there we go. There's the jacket, just needs pressing and we're good to go.